Hello darlings and welcome back here to my channel, and that's the first video after Fashion Haul Week. However, the hauls haven't finished because I just received something that I have been waiting for since I think February, and it's finally here and I can't wait to show you what it is. First things first, the outfit. That's what I'm chilling at home at the moment. It's on Jerf Avenue, the pink breezy shorts, the sunset t-shirt which I love so much, and if I am wearing this it means that spring summer is finally here. Outside the weather is nice and sunny, so I am basically in a great mood, and the makeup is because I'm actually going to work in less than an hour. However, this video is too important not to film it right now. And if you do see me this happy early in the morning, it means two things. Either I have found my dream job, which still hasn't happened, or I have received a Jerf Avenue package that I have been waiting for since February, because the thing that I purchased is probably going to be my new favorite Jerf Avenue piece. And yes, I already opened it because I couldn't wait until it's early in the morning and nice weather to film it, so I opened it straight away. And angels, the thing that I ordered is of course the occasion top. I have been stalking Matilda's Instagram to see more pictures of this one, to see and find news of when it's dropping, and the drop finally came. I managed to get my hands onto it. Apparently the website crashed at some point because too many people were on it, probably once again. However, I managed to skip all that because I was one of the first ones to purchase, like literally on the dot. I was even at work and I had to talk to customers when I was still buying, so in my pocket I was like, please, please, let the payment go through, let the payment go through. And it did. So it was not too stressful, but it's just the dreamiest top ever, and I'm gonna show you how it looks just now. The occasion top definitely didn't disappoint, and it's exactly what I was expecting and more. And at the very last minute when I was ordering, by the way, I was still struggling if I should choose a small or an extra small, just because I didn't want it to sit too baggy, and I ended up going with a size small, which I am very grateful for because the fit around the body is exactly what I was imagining that I want it to look like. So I'm definitely pleased that I didn't size down on this one. Like you can see, it's so dreamy. It actually looks pretty cute with the breezy shirts too. Before I go into a little bit more detail about the design of the top, I really want to try it out with the mint tube skirt, and I just have this picture of Matilda in my mind wearing the occasion top with the mint tube skirt, and it just looks like perfection. It's just beautiful, so let me change. This fit is everything for me. I feel very confident in it, which is always a good thing and always what I expect from Jerf Avenue, and they have succeeded once again, so bravo to Matilda and to the whole team. That's perfection. Now let's go into a little bit more detail about the design of the top. Its fabric is made from recycled polyester, recycled cotton, and a little bit of viscose. They say that the material is not see-through, and as you can see, it is not. It is very structured of a material. It feels a little bit more substantial, but at the same time breathable, which I really like, because if it's very cold outside, I think you're still going to be able to wear it even though it's a long sleeve. I just want to show you the fabric from up close a little bit. You can see that there's quite a lot of holes, so it's more of a knitted fabric, but the material that they have used is actually breathable, so that's why I think it's going to be very comfortable to wear it during spring summer as well. The sleeves are just iconic. I love how long they are. That's just something that I've loved since forever, since before Jerf Avenue. And the big cuff, it's like a big statement cuff at the end, which makes it even more interesting, and I like statement anything in a simple top. However, this top, I don't think it's simple in any way, because the details to it just make it spectacular. It has two ties to tie both ends of the top slash cardigan. Again, we have a collar, which I think makes it a little bit more playful, and I'm glad that they have added this detail instead of making it just a round shape around the neck, and that gives it a little bit more of a character, I think. And the little balls that are used for closure of the top is just what makes this top perfect for me. I just love when Jerf Avenue gets something very simple and does such spectacular things with it. Everything about this top is perfection, and you're definitely going to be turning heads because it's one of those simple yet statement pieces. And that's the back of the top, which is pretty simple. Everything is covered up, and if you didn't know, the occasion top was actually meant to be structured just like the getaway top. Maybe you angels are going to know better because I don't have the getaway top just yet. The actual fit around the body is again a little bit more oversized, which we know is very typical for Jerf Avenue. If you can see, that's how it would be if it was tight fitted to my body. However, it is a little bit more free and it has a little bit more of a boxy shape, which I think goes perfectly with the sleeves, because can you imagine if you had such sleeves and then a tight fitted bodice? It just doesn't make sense. So I really like the fit overall of everything that I have created. Okay, we're going to open it up. I'm going to ruin the initial balls that they have created, but they're so cute. I think I'm going to have to put something underneath, but I think it's going to be cute. Let me put something under and I'm going to show you better. I have put on my Jack Wills bralette because that's my go-to whenever. And you're probably wondering why I am always ordering just one piece from Jerf Avenue, and the thing is, first of all, Brexit, because I live in the UK, and second of all, it's because I want too many things. And they are all spread out in different drops, and I just don't want to get the things that are not first on my list and then not be able to get the things that I really want. Basically, from Matilda's birthday drop, I really wanted the mint set. However, I wanted the occasion top as well, and I was hoping that they were going to launch together, but they didn't, so that's why I got only the tube skirt, and now I managed to get the occasion top as well. The next thing that I really want, and I have been waiting since last year for, is the roll. I think I'm going to be getting the summer berries roll, but it has literally been on my wish list since last year, so that's why I think it's a must. And I was really hoping that at least two of the pieces are going to go into the same drop, but they just end up being in different drops every single time. So it is what it is, a small business, and you know, with COVID and with like delays and everything, it happens. So that's why I'm getting like piece by piece, just because I am fulfilling my wish list at the moment. Now let's get back to the cardigan, because that's what we have transformed the occasion top into, and I actually pretty like this look as well. The strings are too long to be just sitting there, that's why I just tied them into little balls on each side, which I think is pretty cute, and you can definitely wear it as a cardigan as well, which of course, Jerf Avenue, multifunctional, we know we can wear it in many ways with a lot of different things, as always. But look how cute it is like this. You can definitely tie them back up and look very nice with something underneath, but if you want to put something as a cover-up, you can definitely do so. I just love everything that Matilda Jerf does. Hands down. I know that it is out of stock at the moment, however, make sure that you sign up, because I have seen other things have been coming back in stock, like the popsicle set, because the demand was so big that they decided to bring it back this summer as well. So yeah, it's always worth it signing up for the wish list. And also, so many people actually wanted the breezy shorts in white that they actually came up with breezy shorts in white. And that, angels, is about the design of the top. I am very passionate about it, and like I mentioned earlier, I got a size small, exactly what Matilda is wearing, because I usually know if it fits Matilda, it would fit me. Before I start showing you the outfits, I actually got super cute shoes, which I'm gonna pair all of them with, and I just wanted to show you because they're also the cutest with those little pearls, and I think they're gonna go so well with the top. I'm gonna bring some feminine bits into it, so yeah, I'm gonna try out all the outfits and pair it with these shoes, so let's do it now.
That's right across the Notre Dame. The roof will be leaking, but I'll be as happy as they come. Well, I read that the French always say what's on their mind, leaving lipstick stains.
A quick mention, if it was the midi tube skirt from Jerf Avenue, it would have been even better because this one it has a random length. However, I feel like the one from Jerf Avenue would have gone perfectly with this top, so fingers crossed the restock is gonna come very soon and we can match it and pair it with the occasion top as well. Pairing the occasion top with shorts now, just because it's going to get really hot at some point and I feel like this is the perfect combination. These shirts, by the way, I kept from my last year's fashion hauling during spring-summer, so I always find such good things during fashion hauling. Love this, love the fit. Now the occasion top with the first choice pants in greyish, and I feel like this combination is extremely cute. I really like the slight difference in the color of both of them. I like the fit, of course, of the first choice pants, and with the top on top of everything, I feel like it's a very nice combination. It's perfect for a little bit of a chilly summer day or evening. Summer evening is going to be perfection because usually I wear some sort of a cover-up and with this I won't have to. And the last outfit that I'll be showing you, I feel like it's my favorite. I have seen Matilda wear the exact same combination everywhere and it's just a bomb. It's perfection. I really like the casualness of the jeans with the occasion top and I feel like it's the cutest combination of all of them and I'll 1000% wear this all the time. And I'm wearing the Jerf Avenue jeans at the moment, by the way, if you cannot actually recognize them. So yeah, it's a pretty cute fit and I feel like this top will match perfectly with the white jeans that they're about to launch as well. So stay tuned for them too because they're definitely on my wish list.